Hey guys, before I tell you where I'm heading to today, let's just enjoy this whole view. Hey guys, finally we have reached to our destination, which is Ambewela Farm. Well, this farm is located in hill station, which is known as Ambewela and also known as Little New Zealand. So this farm is about 17 kilometers far from NUWARA ELIYA. Well, this place might look a little bit different today from the pictures on the internet as it is raining and misty. This place also can be an idyllic place for people who want to get away from hustle and bustle of city life for a while. Hi. We are about to see how the cows are being milked. Along the way, we can also see the cows roaming freely. This farm was actually started with the help of New Zealand government sometimes in the 60s, and that's why it's called Little New Zealand. Apart from producing milk, they also produce yogurt, cream, and cheese. And this is the place where they make cheese. Apart from the milking cows, they also have other animals like bulls, rabbits, and so on. Hey guys, it was enough talks and it's just time for you to enjoy the whole road. I'll just play a song and enjoy this whole journey with me.